Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we are going to look into three altcoins that are currently trying to flip bullish on on the weekly, and this can be a good opportunity for all of us. So I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Let us begin today's video. We are going to look at three altcoins that are going to flip bullish on the weekly chart. And once they flip bullish on a higher time frame, it is likely to pump on the lower time frames also. So the first alt we are looking at is EOS, and this is an EOS network chart. We are currently looking at a 4-hour chart, but if we go on the weekly chart, what you can see very clearly that in this current dump, this correction, EOS holded this 21 EMA support very well. It did not go even below that for once, which is extremely bullish sign. And since then, it is looking currently as a bottoming structure, a reversal structure. So in my opinion, EOS is right now a very good opportunity to accumulate. It's bullish on the weekly. If we go and look at the 4-hour chart, then that is still under this downtrend, but this is a reversal. In my opinion, this is a clear reversal. Either you wait for it to break, retest, and then enter, or you can start building your positions right away, depending on your investment strategy. But in my opinion, EOS is looking extremely good. On the 4-hour chart, you can see that any day, within a day or two, we can get this golden cross on the 4-hour, and which can lead to a good pump. So EOS is the first chart that is looking extremely bullish on the weekly, and hence this can be a good accumulation. Second chart is YF5, that is Yearn Finance. Now again, there are two important things you should look into this chart of YF5. The black line that you see, that was a long, very long trend line, which was support, and it was broken over here in November, and which lead to this deviation or the final bottoming structure. So currently we are getting resisted by this black trend line, which was a previous support. You can see we did try to break and we again came back, but now we are flipping a very important support again, that is this blue trend line. If you see, it was a previous resistance, a lot of resistance in this zone. It then became a support, and once it became a support, YFI went for a all-time high at around $93,000. Then again, for a very very long time, this zone was support at around 33 to $34,000 range, and it is currently again flipping into support on the daily chart. Hence, this, in my opinion, is a good opportunity, because if this successfully flips into support, and once we get above this black trend line, I can see another impulse wave for YFI. So a very good accumulation in my opinion. If we go and look at the weekly chart, then you can see our weekly support is also confluencing with this. It is at around 31,000. Currently we are above it. So our weekly support EMA band is also currently looking good, and YFI is holding that into support. So in my opinion, a very good time to accumulate YFI between 30 to $33,000. This is a good opportunity. And the third chart that is looking good currently and flipping bullish on the weekly is Aave. Again, Aave, you can see very clearly our weekly bull support band is currently at around $280, and Aave is trying to break. It's right now above it, but it's still trying to break. You can see it was a previous resistance for a lot of week since September. It was a previous resistance we are currently trying to break. If we go and look on the daily chart of Aave, again what we can clearly see, the black trend line is the downtrending line, which will act as resistance, but The important price support for Aave has been this support which I have highlighted in blue, which is at around 280 to $270 range. Between 250 to 280, this has been a good support for Aave for a long time, almost for 2021. So again, flipping back into this support, this would be a good opportunity in my opinion. You can either wait for the breakout or you can start building your position right away, depending on your trading strategy. So these are the three alts that are looking good to me: Aave, YFI, and EOS. Again, I want to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just purely my opinion. So please do your own research. And guys, our YouTube channel has reached 974 subscribers. Kindly show your love and let us cross 1,000 subscribers mark. Thank you so much. Keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye.